They are ready for a fight.
The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 459 pounds, the Hollywood Blondes.
A duo that always delivers when it comes to tag team action, and the WWE Universe is ready for it. A two-time Hall of Famer, one of the most underrated in history. Tag team match underway. Bragging rights in the division are on the line.
Highly competitive tag team division in WWE. Winning this match will go a long way in separating yourselves from the pack.
Down in a hurry.
Mat slam with some attitude.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back. Elbow drop. Piercing. Targeting the chest. Very effective.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
Yeah, even though he's still got a lot of fight in him, he might want to make a tag on the apron.
Counters. This could be an opportunity.
Moved at the right time.
Goes under the ropes to get back inside.
X-Pac defenseless here. Jarring impact.
Immense pressure being kept on X-Pac.
Yeah, X-Pac needs to rethink his strategy fast.
He reverses it.
That might be what gets him out of jeopardy. Oh!
Oh, right to the body.
They finish each other's sentences. They finish each other's moves. That's tag team excellence right there, gentlemen.
He gets tagged in. Oh, what a clothesline! Lariat!
Good Lord, that was nasty.
Gets tagged in. Boom! What a drop kick.
On the mark.
Shoulders down, this could be it. Raising the arm before one.
Channeling his energy to stay in this matchup. Overhand connects. Oh, my goodness. X-Pac sensed that was coming.
He finds a counter for X-Pac. And a kick. Oh, my God. Oh, a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
Placed into the corner. Clothesline in the corner. And X-Pac having to contend with some impactful offense there.
And yeah, it's about time to heavily consider tagging in that partner.
Oh! There's X-Pac with a counter.
Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
He saw it coming.
Quick exchange, reversing the reversal.
High knee right between the shoulders.
X-Pac looks powerless to every attack.
Things can get grim in a hurry if X-Pac doesn't turn this around.
And he gets set back into the ring.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Up high.
Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
Expected that one.
Oh, on a drop kick. On the mark. And finds a counter. Oh!
He must have seen that coming.
Super kick.
And tagged in is Jim, the Anvil Neidhart. Reaches his partner for the tag. Boot to the gut will stop anyone in their tracks.
Down with force. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Oh, my goodness.
We hear the talk in the locker room, the anything you can do, I can do better mentality that's been building between these competitors.
I've noticed just how much they've been trying to one-up each other as of late, and I'm liking what I'm seeing.
Look at this.
Oh, from the rope.
Nothing to laugh about here for the Anvil.
Oh, look at this. Out to the apron. Oh, my goodness. Are you kidding me?
Suplex. Spine crushing.
Off the barricade. Snake eyes. And I think, yeah, the Anvil is busted up, guys.
Tossed back into the ring. He turns it around.
Yeah, Anvil getting some newly determined focus.
And they just busted out an impactful maneuver.
Loving blows.
Oh, man. Oh, right to the body. And he sends him into the corner. Nowhere to go.
Loading with kicks.
And X-Pac didn't see that coming. Partner tags in. He has just completely lost his wind.
This has just been an absolute massacre. Double underhook applied.
Butterfly suplex. Is it enough? The cover.
What stamina. It's truly impressive to completely beat the count here.
Really great swinging neck breaker.
In off the tag is Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
Timely counter by Anvil.
Oh, what a right hook. Whatever you can do, I can do better. Counters on top of counters.
Side Russian leg sweep. Reigns down an elbow retaliation.
Look at this, going counter for counter.
And a spinning back kick, too. The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline.
Sure, he's pumping himself up, but he's also giving his opponent a chance to recover.
Targeting the stomach.
Thwarts the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection. Right hook.
These are dire straits for him. He needs to be extra cautious now.
Counters! Pretty incredible! Boom!
You have to...
Tag made.
Oh, that's a kick right to the face.
Double the punishment.
The cover. Oh, I thought it was over, but again.
Can we please get some control?
There are no words for the ride these fans have gone through in this match.
It's been a roller coaster, and I don't think the ups and downs are over yet.
Got the tag. Got the tag.
Can that finish X-Pac?
Two. Oh, he was almost finished.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of. You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw. Boom! Delivers an axe handle. Neckbreaker. Here's the cover for the win. And he makes the save for his team.
Brutal stomp to the body.
And then the chest as well.
He deflects it right back. Not where you want to be right now. X-Pac able to adapt. Evading offense. Ooh.
Oh my goodness!
Big hammer connects.
And X-Pac moves.
And responds with a counter of their own.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched. Listen to this place. It's electric. Uh-oh. The counter. He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so. He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Boom. Tagging his partner in now. Into the corner now. Oh, my!
Uh-oh. I think we're going to see it. X-Pac. Bronco Buster.
This could do it! Kick out just before 2.
Still not enough to put him away. Ow!
X-Pac is fired up and ready to go. And he's able to reverse. Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
So-called dentist.
Grabs their opponent by the ankles.
Oh, alley-oop bomb. And X-Pac showing his will to battle through the effects of this match.
Yeah, X-Pac no less dangerous here as his opponent is quickly finding out.
The Anvil firing up, feeding off the energy in this match. And he has an answer for Neidhart.
Oh, uncorked a big punch.
All the way to the outside.
force the opposition back into the ring.
He is delivering elbow after elbow.
Fires back with a crucial elbow. Caught an elbow to the gut for that effort.
Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
Textbook vertical suplex. Bam.
Fresh man in.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Clubbing blow to the back. Kick right to the gut. Another one. And there's the cover.
I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole. His opponent included. Punch. Nasty. He has been here before, and he knows what he needs to do. Hot shot. It's an all the way to the outside.
Picture perfect takedown. There he goes, right into the corner. Had that one scouted.
Look at this.
From the rope.
Anvil stumbling into the line of fire.
A game-ending move. Checkmate. Sweet takedown.
Not hard getting set up.
No man does that better.
Timely counter by Anvil. Lariat.
Good Lord. That was nasty.
Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
Able to get there in time.
Oh, man. Tag is made. Little tandem offense on the horizon.
Oh, and boom, back elbow.
Two-handed choke slam. He's channeling the crowd's energy.
He's certainly lining him up, but he's wasting too much time.
Running FTO plants him. Nicely done.
And now blood beginning to collect on X-Pac's face.
He's positioned up on that turnbuckle.
Doing whatever it takes to win, and we're about to see it.
He takes control.
Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal form.
And tag. He did it.
Let's go.
He's burying elbows to the midsection.
Jim the Anvil Nighthawk. Tremendous power. A nice power slam.
No doubt the Anvil ended this.
He moved. Can he capitalize?
Oh, right to the body. Get back here. Leg lariat. X-Pac.
The X-Factor. X-Pac body clinched it there.
Good golly, what a knee. Oh, knee just being torn apart now. Tag switching it up.
Shot after shot, then slamming their face down.
Tag made, fresh man in.
Stomp in the leg.
X-Pac needs to get his wits about him fast.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. F5! Thunderous!
That's lights out.
You can count to 100. Placing them into the corner. Looking vulnerable on that top turnbuckle. Position in top rope, heading up there. This is not going to be good. Could be catastrophic.
Superplex. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Uh-oh. Flapjack. Way up there. Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm.
He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him.
And he has an answer for Neidhart.
Sharp jab. Series of strikes to the back.
That's just a beat down.
And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
Good timing with that reversal.
He's in a predicament here. Oh, not today. Caught by surprise with the DDT.
In off the tag is Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
He's one step ahead there. Shoulder tackle. Tag. Knife chop. Oh, shot right to the kidney. And again.
Great way to wear down your opponent.
His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this.
Strikes and kicks and punches, just battering their opponent.
Saw that coming.
Counter after counter.
He's trying again. Here's his window. Will he take advantage?
Across the top rope, all the way to the floor.
This could be it.
Cover for the win. Celebration celebration underway. Great win tonight. Really needed that one as well.
Well, it was a great, well, we got another superstars, I guess, adding to the celebration. Appreciation.
I sense a hint of sarcasm in the celebration.
Yeah, you're probably right.